Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install lease-to-own deals with Home Depot rent-to-own, complete guide step-by-step clearly. To install lease-to-own deals with Home Depot rent-to-own, start by visiting the official Home Depot website. Navigate to the rent-to-own section for comprehensive information on available products. Review the list of items eligible for lease-to-own options, which typically includes appliances, furniture, and tools. Select the product you wish to lease and click on it to access more details. Ensure you check the specifications and pricing for the item you are interested in. Once you've chosen an item, look for the rent-to-own option during the checkout process. Add the selected item to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Here, you will find an option to select the lease-to-own plan. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Review the terms and conditions for the lease-to-own agreement. Ensure you understand any fees, payment intervals, and duration of the lease. After agreeing to the terms, move on to the payment section. Provide your payment information for the initial payment or deposit required. Review your order summary to confirm all details are accurate. Submit your order to finalize the lease-to-own agreement. You will receive an email confirmation of your purchase and the lease terms. Once your order is confirmed, wait for the delivery schedule details from Home Depot. After receiving your product, keep a record of your payment schedule. Make timely payments according to the agreed-upon plan to ensure compliance with the lease terms. If you have any issues or questions, contact Home Depot customer service for assistance. Enjoy your new item while working towards ownership through the lease-to-own arrangement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.